So the first cut that we will do is what we call batonet. So batonet is like slicing your vegetable or any vegetable that similar to a French fry. So we will go like this. This is what it looks like. So it is similar to a French fries. The next cut that we will do is what we call julienne. So we'll slice it like this. It will look like this. So this is what we call julienne. The last strip cut that we will do is what we call the fine julienne. So from the word fine, it's more finer than the julienne cut that we did earlier. So go like this. This one, fine julienne looks like. The next cut that we will do is what we call the large dice. So, this is how you cut a large dice. And this will be the outcome of the large dice. The next cut that we will do is what we call the medium dice. So medium dice is like it's smaller than the previous one, which is the large dice. So this will be the outcome of the medium dice. The next cut that we will do is the small dice. So it is more smaller than the previous one, which is the medium dice. This will be the outcome of the small dice. The next cut that we will do is what we call brunoise. So brunoise, to do the brunoise, you would first cut the carrot or any vegetable into a julienne, and then we will cut it into cubes. This is what the brunoise will look like this. So the last dice cut that we will do is what we call the fine brunoise. So just like the brunoise, we'll also first cut or do the fine julienne first. And then we will just do what we did also with the brunoise. So it will look like this. This is the fine brunoise. So the first specialty cut that we will do is what we call the rondelle. So rondelle is a disc-shaped cut that is the result of cutting cylindrical shaped vegetables such as carrots. So this is how you do the rondelle. This is what rondelle will look like. So it is like a disc or circle shaped cut. The last specialty cut that we will do is what we call the paisan. So paisan is the tile-shaped type of cut used in soup garnishes. So, and then we will cut the edges. This will look like this. So the next cut that we will do is what we call the brunoise cut or brunoise cut using the onion. So first, we'll cut the onion into half. This is the Brunoise cut using the onion. So, like this. So the very last cut that we will do is what we call the chiffonade cut. So we will use cabbage as our leafy vegetable. So chiffonade cut is a garnish made from finely shredded roll of delicate vegetables like cabbage or herbs. So first we will roll the cabbage, then we will cut it. So it will look like this. Like this. So it is like a roll.